Two female passengers died as boat capsizes in Lagos. Two female passengers died on Wednesday when a 20-seater boat which departed Ipakodo Ferry Terminal in Ikorodu capsized. The General Manager of Lagos State Water Ways Authority, Oluwadamilola Emmanuel, who made this known in a statement, said the boat capsized almost immediately after takeoff. He said 15 occupants of the capsized boat were rescued alive. The statement read, at about 7:45 a.m. today, Wednesday, the 6th day of July, year 2022, a 20-passenger ferry boat carrying 17 passengers named R and N2 suddenly capsized not more than 200 meters from the terminal and submerged immediately after it departed the Ipakodo Ferry Terminal in the Ikorodu area of Lagos State. The water guards and the search and rescue team of the Lagos State Water Ways Authority were mobilized to the scene of the incident, leading to the rescue of 15 persons alive, while two female unconscious passengers were rushed to the nearest hospital for treatment. They were, however, later confirmed dead at the hospital. The boat's captain is currently being investigated by the relevant authorities, while full investigations into the cause of this mishap is ongoing as of the time of this press release. May their gentle souls rest in peace. This is the end of our news today. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye. Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and also put on the notification bell for more updates just like this. My name is K Banti, your regular host. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye.